Today in crypto. The Bank of New York Mellon, America's oldest bank, has signed an agreement with cryptocurrency asset manager Grayscale Investments to provide a set of services to its flagship Bitcoin.BTC investment product. Grayscale officially announced Tuesday that it selected BNY Mellon, NYSE, BK, as an asset servicing provider for Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, a major digital currency investment product providing indirect exposure to Bitcoin.Continue Reading on Coin Telegraph. South Korea now requires foreign crypto exchanges to comply with AML. The rule applies to all crypto exchanges offering Korean won trading pairs. Also, foreign exchanges need to comply with real name account trading. South Korean regulator says AML compliance is mandatory for foreign crypto exchanges offering services in the country's KRW currency. Specifically, South Korea's Financial Services Commission, FSC, President Yoon Sung-soo stated that the requirement to comply with the South Korean anti-money laundering standards now extends to foreign crypto exchanges. In addition, the foreign exchanges must also comply with real name account trading and work with banks. At the time of writing, only 4 exchanges operating in South Korea have complied with real name trading. This is because most banks have been reluctant to work with crypto exchanges, citing security fears as their top concern. Notably, Yoon made the clarification while continue reading on Coin Telegraph. S&P Dow Jones Indices, the leading index provider of some of the world's largest equity benchmarks, has launched a new cryptocurrency index that tracks the performance of the broader digital asset market. The S&P Cryptocurrency Broad Digital Market Index, labeled BDM, tracks more than 240 digital assets at launch and represents an expansion of the firm's recently launched crypto benchmarks. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. For a network that allows final settlement of sound money, there's no better marketing tool than a central bank balance sheet. That's the reason for this popular saying in the Bitcoin community: central bank policies are Bitcoin's ad campaign. Governments keep printing money, causing inflation, and devaluating the bills in your pocket. As long as that keeps happening, Bitcoin will become more attractive. Related reading: what can we do to safeguard ourselves from money printing? Governments around the world will keep printing bills and more bills. There's not much anyone can do about that. However, you can safeguard your money from debasement by investing it in a hard asset. And what's the hardest asset that humanity has ever created? You guessed it, it's Bitcoin. To put this into perspective, let's quote Sfidinamus, the Bitcoin standard, and its value. Or, as Sfidinamus himself put it, and now you know why Bitcoin is so important to humanity and why your fellow men's purchasing power keeps decreasing over time. India's stance on crypto adoption has been a gray area ever since the birth of Bitcoin, BTC. In what seems like another blow for the Indian crypto community, one of the biggest financial services, ICICI Bank, has warned users not to use their remittance services for transferring any form of crypto or digital currency. In ICICI's latest iteration of the retail outward remittance application form, the bank has clearly stated its intent to stop users from using the service for crypto transfers. Based on the Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, 1999, the declaration states, continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.